Apples have high water need, and water retention is a necessity in ensuring that the soil gets enough moisture. 5 to 10 gallons of water every 1 to 2 weeks will ensure the roots of your tree gets enough moisture without being waterlogged.
For people who are in dry areas like Machakos, Makueni, Kitui, even some sides of I know Eastern Kenya is dry, but I don't know about Southern Kenya. But mostly, generally, the dry places. What you need to do is that you need to create some basins. It's okay to do drip irrigation, but the most important way is to do a basin. A basin, a beautiful thing with a basin is that you can flood a lot of water there, and it can stay even for 1 week without watering again. So basins work even with drip system, they work very perfect. Challenge with the drip system is that for the button trips for a tree, fruit tree, which is mature, is that it only gives water to the stem around the plant. But when you flood your area, you find water is even distributed evenly when you flood the your basin. So a good example is this one. In this apple tree, what we have done here, we have done a basin of 1 meter. Okay, a basin of water. Most of the branches are reaching this area. Okay, so it means these roots for this plant, they are here. Okay, so if the roots are here, means that, and the water, you see the button trip, according to our button trip here, the water is here. So we don't want to give water only to this plant alone, to the roots here. We want to give to the roots also in here. So you need to create a bigger basin.
Water basins are a good way to help in water retention. Water basins will help funnel both irrigation and rainwater to the roots and keep water from running off into the surrounding soil.